Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? This is very important update for all Hedera Hashgraph holder, and I have some very special information for all of you. And also, we will predicate this coin. We will do a technical analysis. So, kindly, holders, you will need to watch this video completely to understand better now. My friend, this time you can see your Hedera Hashgraph minus 8.55% fails down. So, definitely, this is very bad fail. But 0.42 USD, this is the highest price. You can see they were fails down to 0.35 USD. It's really huge term, my friend. Please, and last 7, as you can see, my friend, they were fails down completely. They were fails down near, there is no pump. Absolutely, this is very badly fails down. The condition is very critical now. The resistance line you can see here after the mid of this week, they were fails down. So October 8, you can see here, my friend, and they will never hit the resistance line again now. So therefore, this is really bad news. But my friends, please try to understand. I'm 100% sure, my friends, to in upcoming time after this fails, they will also take a very huge jump now, and they will give you a profit. Because as you can see in last 1 hour, just and only, my friend, they will get a profit now. So therefore, please try to understand. You can see here in last 7 days, they will completely fails down, but in last 1 hour they will take a pump. So remember, every coin will moving in this circulation. This is just an only short firm, but as you can see here, my friend, this time they will again starting pumping up for a long time. Absolutely, my friend, you can see here for a long time. So I hope they will recover this all lost, and they will get a very good profit. But this is possible if you are hold, so I hope they will give you a profit. But if you are starting selling, so remember to, they will never give you a profit. Thanks for watching Hedera Hashgraph holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.